Good afternoon, students. How are we doing today?
Hello, sir. Having a snow today, but okay. Good
Gosh, take
afternoon,
time.
sir.
Afternoon.
Good
Simsima.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Simsima, you have to take time and call that word here.
Sorry.
And I'm saying you have to take
I'm
time and
sorry,
call
sir.
that. You have to take time and call that word
Okay.
because I
Okay.
had Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days of it. 4 days of it. But make sure that you have water to drink here.
Yes, sir, I've been doing that.
Yeah, man, good. All right. Um, I'm hoping that the rest of you are doing fine. Um, is there anything anybody is burning and you want to share?
Sir,
Yes, please.
you can help me do the calculations for the
Creamers?
yes, sir. Please
Okay. What seems to be a problem?
calculating it, sir.
Yeah, but
The
what
the the
aspect?
signs.
The signs.
Yes, sir. Come my answer always wrong.
Okay.
Sir, question.
Mm-hmm.
For the creamers, when I do substitution, when I get the answer, you would substitute back the answer in the equation to get what it is equal to. Is it the
Right.
same way?
Yes, man.
All right.
And it's supposed to work for all three equations. So when you substitute, it's not supposed to just work for equation one. It's supposed to work for one, two, and three.
So when I get it back now, say, yeah, you're right.
Mm-hmm. And you're correct. Did I give you any homework question on it, or did I just ask you to just go through that example?
Sir, is me you're talking to?
No, the class. Did I give you homework, or did I just ask you to just go through that example? Anybody, somebody?
Don't
Did I?
I think it
remember
was to
getting
go
any
through,
homework.
sir. I think it was to go through.
It just go
Just to
through.
look,
Okay.
yeah.
All
Sir,
right.
another
Yes, please.
what if how they mark it? What if I get one of the alphabet, the answer wrong? That means that everything you lose 20 marks?
No. When I do this one, what I'm going to do, Johnson, is to give you another question, and I want to see how far you get into this question.
Sir, who you talking? Anne Marie Jones?
Yes, miss. Let me
Okay.
say what I go. Johnson, me say?
Yes, sir. I don't know to change the name.
This is all right. Yeah, you see man and Marie me talk.
Okay, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna put one on the board for you. For you.
Sorry, sir.
That's all right. I'm gonna put one on the board for you all to try. And I want you to try as best as possible. And then I'll go through the working note with you. All right. Start for me, please. Just take your time and just go through that. And then I'll go through with you afterwards. I don't want to do it because I want you to get an opportunity to try and do it. As you work on a question, wherever you are, whatever you have, leave it on paper, and I will be able to see where it is I can correct the misconceptions. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool.
Sir, we must do that?
Yes, please.
Dershan, afternoon.
Hey, Brick, what's up?
I am on my way home.
No problem. Get home safely. You can't just watch the screen, but we're gonna be doing a question. You can't just watch the screen, all right?
Driving. I'm as active as I can.
Okay, no problem.
Alrighty.
Sir, and we're calculating the overall determinant.
Always.
Repeat.
Always, you're going to calculate whenever you get this question, you're calculating four things: the overall determinant, the determinant of x, determinant of y, determinant of z.
Okay, sir. So how many times you give us to do this?
I just told you.
Maybe we miss it.
You're going to calculate the overall determinant, then you calculate the determinant of x, the determinant of y, determinant of z.
Oh yeah, maybe I say how much time you are giving to complete it.
Oh, that time. Ahaha. I give it 15 minutes.
All right, sir. I'm
Cool.
already there.
Cool. Okay, your time has expired. Are we still working?
Yes, sir.
All right. How far are you?
Yes, sir. The determinant of X.
Sir, what's the determinant of Y?
All right. Okay. Do your thing. I want to make sure that you guys are understanding. So, all right. Continue working. All right. So this is it. 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 All right. Whether or not you're finished, I'm going to ask you to stop writing, please. Whether or not you're finished, I'm going to ask you to stop writing. Give me some attention on screen. Let us do the overall, calculate the overall determinant. But before we do that, though, what we're going to be doing is write the system of linear equations into a matrix. So we're going to write it in a, sure. We're going to write it in a form AX equals B. So we have 1, 3, 4, -5, 1, -3, -7, -2, 1. -11, 2, and 2. Did anybody get that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Got all of that right in a 1 mark.
I'm me for tell you, 1 mark. Cha 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 cha. All right, let's
Yes,
go now.
sir.
All right, good job. At least you're there. So let us do now. So what we're going to now do is to calculate the overall determinant. And to calculate the overall determinant, I'm going to use 1, 3, 4, -5, 1, -3, -7, -2, 1. But this time I'm going to put my plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So we always start off with plus. Yes, and I showed you why
We
already
get
last
mark for
class.
that too.
No,
Mighty God.
of Daniel, trust me. All right, let's go now. So I'm using my first row, right? So I'm just going to say row 1. So I know what I'm using. I'm using row 1. So it's going to be 1. Remember now, watch me. Do, 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 do. So whatever row and column it appears in, I'm taking it out. So it's going to be
1,
positive 1, good.
-2,
-2.
-3,
Remember,
and 1.
right? Remember, the array of signs don't affect the cofactors right here.
Yes, sir.
Only the one,
-3,
sir.
1.
Almost forget that, you know, sir.
Yeah,
You
you
want to see me
can't.
try think fast.
Watch this magic now. Watch this. Oopsie daisy. I never know so sure, sir, play rough. You know, the second question. Watch this. You have a -5, but there's a negative sign above it. When I multiply two negative numbers, what do I get?
Positive.
Positive. So it's going to be +5. Everybody, so I get the +5?
Yes, sir.
All right, please and thanks. So +5. And remember, we're going to go here. The row and the column that it appears in, we are taking out. The row and the column that it appears in, I'm removing. So what I'm removing is that. What I'm going to be left with is going to be 3, -2, 4, and 1. Do you agree?
Bob. Yes, sir.
I big up
Got a 1
yourself.
more 1.
All right. And then now, I'm going to have -7. Oh, come on.
Sir, it cannot be negative, so it have to be a positive.
Positive 7 me get. Me never know say this, you multiply
Positive.
times, sir, up there, so.
Yeah.
That
Sir,
negative.
sir, why get -7? The sign didn't change.
Sir, a positive
Sir.
7, and where they mix it up because the first something right, they put the sign them beside them, unlike usual.
But
Sir,
I
but
don't understand.
sir, is it a positive 5 or a negative? Has to be a -7.
Has to be a negative 7.
It's a negative 7.
So it has to
Oh,
be a -5.
no, it has to be a positive
No,
5.
-7. Right.
Let us go back to the positive 5. You recognize that I have a negative you recognize that the 5 is negative originally,
Right, sir.
and there's a negative sign atop it.
I know, but I know that you must calculate the signs from there, sir. So I missed that.
Okay, all right. So Annie, so that's what I was saying to you. As we go through the question, you will
Yeah.
see a little bit more
Yes.
than yeah, man. So that's it's not a thing I want to show you, but that's why I wanted to just do the question. But
Sir,
those of you, go ahead, please.
I'm not understanding. How is it a positive 5?
Negative times negative give you a positive.
Why are we times? Why we are multiply?
The
The
plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Remember the array of signs?
Yes, sir, but me think you say we must follow the signs at the top.
adapt me
We
think is
never know say we fi what you call it name there.
Oh,
Sir,
so
never
that's
know
when
cancel it out.
yeah. It's not a matter of cancelling out. We're using the array of signs. We're using the array of signs in order to get our calculation.
So I don't want to answer them wrong.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No, you know. So so do me a favor. Write something, write some notes, write down something that you can use to remember this, please.
sir, we
You write
by now we just when we did the class last week, we think you said the we don't trouble the signs. We just use the plus minus plus minus plus minus. So when we're doing like row 1, so we would say +1, and then we would say -5. The red
And that made it thing too.
yeah, that's when you're
Yeah,
writing
that's what I got
inside.
because when I saw him do
Sorry, that's
positive
the
5, I was a
understanding
little
I had
confused.
to.
no, all right. So what I said last time is the array of signs will affect what is on the
The top.
outside here, so
Right.
not what is inside here. Anybody remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I
Remember.
remember,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
I
but
get
me
you,
Yes,
I
sir.
sir.
misinterpreted it.
Good. So the only way it can affect this now is by saying I have a positive one right there, so but there's a positive sign above there, so that's why this one is positive. I have a -5 originally, but the sign above the -5 is a -1. So I have to multiply those two in order to get this here to be positive. The 7 original is a -7, but the sign above it is positive. When I multiply a positive number, remember that is one, Remember I said to you that the plus minus plus minus plus minus plus is really +1 -1 +1 -1 +1 -1 +1 -1 +1. But we're going to write the 1 1 1 1 1. Anybody remember that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, but
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now that I'm happy that you're seeing it. I'm happy that you're seeing it. So this is supposed to be negative. Don't worry about you making a mistake. This is where you're supposed to make the mistake. So let us get this now to be -7. I am not going to be drawing the matrix. Tell me what matrix am I supposed to be using, please? I want to see if we can see it.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Okay.
1, -3.
Okay. All agreed?
agree.
Yes,
Good
sir.
job.
Oh,
Good
that's
job. Good job.
frightening.
Good
I
job.
think to me at the good.
No man, good job. All right. So this is going to be 1. Um 1 times 1 minus a -2 times a -3
Yes, sir.
plus 5 times 3 times 1 minus a -2 times a 4. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Minus 7 times 3
3.
times -3 minus 1 times 4. Don't.
Yes, sir.
Good job. 1 into 1. Whoopsie daisy. Minus 6. Talk truth.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good
sir.
job. Plus 5 times
3
3 plus 8.
plus.
Yeah, man, it's when you multiply two
Where you get the plus?
Sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I remember I came out of a class a little bit early Thursday. So remind me, please, where you get the all right, Mr. The 1 times 1 I don't understand the -2 times -2. I don't know where the negative come from. Please, can you explain that to me, please?
It's the leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. It's the leading diagonal minus the other diagonal. So I'm going to multiply the leading diagonal.
Okay. So the sign in the middle must always be negative, and in the top.
Every single time.
Right. Okay. Sir, so all you get in the second row, all you get 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8.
As yeah, multiply.
-1. Remember, there's a 1 right here, say no. -1 times -2 is +2. Talk truth.
Okay.
Yes,
Talk truth, right, and 2 times 4 is 8.
Okay.
Any other questions? Who said a while ago?
There is me. It's just
You grow with a granny.
time.
You grow with a granny. I don't want to tell you. And let me tell her true me talk.
Sir, my mother a big woman.
Oh. That was a big woman. That was a big woman a while ago. All right, yeah. So let us look back at the other one. Oh, Jesus. Let us look at the other one where you saw the first one where we have 3 minus signs.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So when we have an even number of negative signs, it's positive. When we have an odd number of negative signs, it's negative. So when we have when you multiply 2 negative numbers, it's positive. When you multiply 3 negative numbers, it's negative. All right. So go ahead, please.
Can we use the brackets for this case? Will it give us the right answer?
Yeah, man, absolutely. Always.
Okay.
Always. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is going to be now. Go ahead, please. Somebody said, sir?
Yes, so you said when we have 2 negative is a positive, right?
Don't say it like that. When you're multiplying 2 negative numbers, it gives you a positive number.
So shouldn't the 6 right here be a positive then?
Right, watch me again. -1 times -2 is +2. +2 times -3 is -6. So you have one negative sign, one negative sign, one negative sign, one negative sign. So you have 3 negative signs multiplying together, it's going to be negative.
Oh, okay. All right. Got you.
Good.
Thank you.
Good job.
Sir, even though my 5 is wrong because it's -5, is this in the bracket the same thing as your 3 minus bracket -8?
Yes.
Okay, good.
That's what Abby was asking a while ago.
Yes.
All right. So this is going to be -7 into -9 minus 4. So what I'm going to have is 1 times -5 plus 5 times 11 minus 7 times, -13.
I get it. I just made something meant out.
It's just a negative sign, never mind. So -5 plus 55. And when I multiply those 2 negative numbers, I can get a positive number plus 7 3 is 21. That's a 91?
Sir, I don't know when is that I get.
Yes, sir.
91. And 91, and that's one. What that going to be now? 141?
151 I get.
No.
Right.
That's supposed to be 141.
Don't know. What I do. Probably through my sign wrong. Don't know.
Your sign is wrong. That's why. Somebody talk to me now. We get -5 plus 55 plus 91 is how much?
You get 141, sir.
Yeah, man. Sure. So therefore, delta is going to be equals to 141. All right. Delta is equals to 141. Any questions regarding that?
No, sir.
All right.
No, it's just true. We never know. Say we did for
with a negative sign,
We did,
with a negative 5.
yes, we never know, so we must multiply the signs with the ones in the bracket, if you get what I mean.
Got you, got you, got you.
Before you move
All
on
right,
though,
go ahead.
before you move on though, sir, just explain that part to me, because the whole of my own them, me have the sign where at the top of the number.
What do you want me to explain?
Like the sign thing go, like all the five are positive, like I get that.
All right,
And
all right. Don't say another word. Just watch the second calculation and you'll see it. A lot of times it's just for you to see what is happening. So now that we have the
Sir,
overall return,
tell Jody. Is Jody's name?
Jody, yeah.
Yes, sir. Let me explain to her.
Okay, sure.
So Jody, you see where I'm saying to calculate the overall determinant, that big bracket, where you have the plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and so forth. So you
yeah,
see red, you see the red plus, the first red plus, and you notice you have a +1. So positive times positive is equal positive. And you see the negative up top, the second red negative, along with the -5, negative times negative is equal to positive. And the third red plus with the -7 now, negative times positive is equal to negative. Yes. So you
See,
can write down that, Jody.
so
Negative times positive equal
I
negative.
but I never know, say we're supposed to multiply,
Right.
because
I know you that negative.
multiply, so I'm not think to multiply.
that's
Right.
all right. And that's all right. And that's why we're here to learn.
Alright, sir.
That's why we're here to learn. Yeah, man, you're a good man. And remember, I don't feel no way about it. I'm going to tell you why I don't feel no way about it. Do you all remember that last week we were doing some more of the combination notation, and then is that in the last maybe 20 or half an hour to 20 minutes, I did this question. No, it was longer than that. And I did this question. And matter of fact, I even beg you some extra. Remember, so we finished class late last week, don't?
Yes, we did, sir.
Yeah, man. Because I wanted to just introduce it to you. So it's not a problem. If you don't catch it fully, it is fine. What is important, not you catch it now. No. Okay, so let's go. So look at this trick here now. We're calculating the determinant of x. Now we have to change up the matrix somewhat. The matrix have to change up somewhat, because if the matrix not change up, it means that when we do the calculation, when we do at the same answer we're going to get. So we have to go change this matrix at some point. The matrix have to go change. How are we going to change the matrix? When we're calculating the determinant of x, we are going to remove the x values and replace those x values with what the system of linear equations equal to. Sir, I understand not waste a while ago. That's all right. Watch me. I'm removing the x's and I'm replacing them with. All right, let me just rotate this a bit so at least you can see the screen a little bit better. So what I'm saying to you now is I'm removing the x column and replacing the x column with what is here when I'm calculating the determinant of x. When I'm calculating the determinant of y, I'm removing the y column and replace it with this. When I'm calculating the determinant of z, I'm removing the z column and replace it with that. So each time I do that and do the replacement, it gives me a new matrix. And therefore
Go over that again, please.
to calculate the determinant of x. Look at what I'm doing. To calculate the determinant of x, I'm going to say -11, 2 and 2, -5, 1, -3, -7, -2, and 1. Look and tell me if you see where I got that from.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. So what I'm doing is I am removing the column for the x's and replace it with what the system of linear equations equal to. So I'm removing this and replace it with B, because don't this a B, talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to replace it with B. Watch me now. The next thing that I'm going to do, you're going to write all of them something in a pen. You're going to put in pen your plus, minus,
Pencil may I use?
plus, I'm going to tell you why I don't want to use a pencil, plus, minus,
You want
plus.
to get a different color, say differentiate it.
No, not that. What I want you to do is, why I don't want you to use a pencil, because I want, when you're using the -11, I want you to be able to use a pencil to cross it out.
Okay.
And then no,
I was
right,
using pen, land the pen though.
right. Because I don't want to use a pen, because you end up messy if you use a pen, and then you can make mistakes. So write it in pen, and then you use a pencil and just cross out that, so you can get a thing, so you can see what matrix you're looking at.
Sir,
Fair enough?
two different color pen and me use my finger and block out whichever one need for block out.
Okay, all right. Whatever method works for you, just make sure you get it right.
He's calling me again.
All right, let's go. So this is going to be, is that a positive 11 or a negative 11?
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Good job, negative 11. What's the matrix?
1,
Mm-hmm.
Negative 3.
1.
No, positive 3.
No,
Hear me?
negative
Sorry,
3.
negative 3. Sorry.
Good. And then no, what goes next? What? Go ahead.
Positive 5.
Good job. What's the matrix?
2, negative 2, 1.
Good job. Excellent. What next?
Negative 7.
Good job. What next?
2, 1, 2, negative 3.
Good job. All right. Excellent. And then now I'm going to have negative 11 into
1 times 1.
good job. What? Hey, say, me and the pencil, see? 1 times 1 minus negative 2 times negative 3. Students, write it. If you don't write it, I'm going to say, you know you're right, you get the mark. Somebody was asking, then, sir, if we make a mistake, write it down. No miss out no line. Everything that you see me have right on something there, write it down. And then, go ahead.
Why is it -3 when I say the red minus and the -3? Shouldn't it be a +3?
All right, remember now, final time. The array of signs don't affect the 2 by 2 matrix. It only affects the number in front of the 2 by 2 matrix. I'm going to say that slowly. One more time. The array of signs. Sir, what is this array of signs? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Only affect the number in front of the 2 by 2 matrices. The plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus do not affect the 2 by 2 matrix. Want to get that?
Write it down, please.
All right, please and thanks. Always remember, the array of signs do not affect the 2 by 2 matrices. It only affects the number in front of the 2 by 2 matrices. That's the only purpose for it. All right, let's go. Plus 5 into 2 times 1 minus a negative 2 times 2, then a minus 7 into 2 times negative 3, a minus 1 times 2. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Don't worry about this ugly looking calculation. Just take your time and do it. Negative 11, do it in stages. Negative 11. 1 times 1 is 1. You see, how many negative signs I have right here? So no.
3.
So it's going to be negative. And 2 times 3 is 6.
Yes.
Plus 5 times 2 times 1 is 2. How many negative signs is it right there? So
2.
that means we're going to be positive. And 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 7. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Minus 2. So it reduces nicely. Watch me now. Negative 11 times, this a negative 5, don't? Into, 5 times 6. 9 minus 7 into negative 8. Negative 11 times 5 is positive 55. 6 times 5 is 30. And 8 7 is 56. That's a positive 56. That's 111, 141. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So delta x is equals to 141. And at this point in time, we can show off on them and say delta x over delta is equals to 141 over
The one we
141.
try the last one then, like how you tell we about the area of sign.
I disagree with you. You are going to do the determinant of both y and z, not the last one, the two last ones. That's
Oh,
exactly what I was thinking. Very good. So now that I've shown you how to do this stuff, go ahead for me, please. I'm leaving that on the screen. Go ahead for me, please, and just recalculate now the determinant of y and then do the determinant of z. Thank you.
thanks, sir. Come and need a second chance.
Big up yourself.
Sir, what was the instruction?
Calculate the determinant of y and x.
Y and X.
Y and
Yeah.
z.
Y and z.
Y and Z.
Sorry. Yes. Sorry.
You finished, sir.
Good job. How many of you still working?
Sir, may I finish up what Z, sorry.
2 more minutes.
I finish.
Okay. Press pause. I'm going to just do determinant of y, and then give another minute to just finish off the determinant of z. Oh, come on, pen. All right, so I'm going to go back to the original A and put 1, 3, 4. Then I'm changing the y to put negative 11, 2 and 2, and negative 7, negative 2 and 1. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. All agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So far, so good.
Good job, good job, good job. So this is going to be 1 into 2, negative 2, 2 and 1. This is going to be positive 11. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3
Yes,
negative 2,
sir.
4. Good job. 3 negative 2, 4, 4, 1. 4 and 1.
Mhm.
And then this is going to become negative 7
Yes.
into 3, 2, 4, 2. All right. Good job.
Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Why am I have negative 3? Hold on there. All right, sir. Continue.
No,
Sir,
not
not
yet.
sure if you're seeing the message in the group.
Yeah, man, in the chat.
Okay.
Right. So I see what Tracy said that she's not following something. I need a taker to explain that first line that we have, please, and thanks. For Tracy's sake.
What, sir?
Thanks for your question, Tracy.
Sir, what you talking?
All right, so I think she's probably asking about the negative 11, the 2, and the positive 2 and the positive 2, right? So I think basically, sir switch it round to find X, Y, and Z. So in last class he had said, right. So in last class he had said to find so basically to find X, we would switch it around. That's the first row, which is 1, 3, and 4. So we now put the negative 11 there, the 2 and the 2, and then to find Y, we switch around the middle section, which is the negative 5, the 1, and the negative 3, to put the negative 11, the positive 2, and the positive 2. And if we're trying to find Z, then we would switch the negative 7, the negative 2, and the negative 1 for the negative 11, the 2, and the positive 2. So that's where it comes from. Basically, we're going in order from X to X, Y, and Z. So basically from bottom to top. So from the first row to the last row.
Good job.
Using the negative 11, the positive and the positive 2s.
Excellent. Tracy, you see that now?
So Tracy, the first row is, the second row is Y, and the third row, the column I should say, the first column X, second column Y, and the third column is Z.
Correct too. Very nice.
Yeah.
And remember, if we don't switch around the B's, if we don't substitute the B's for X, Y, and Z respectively, we're not going to have a different matrix. It's the same matrix we have working with all the time. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
I'm so blessed.
All right. So now we are going to continue. If you're having any questions or issues, please raise them. We are now going to have one into, I think this becomes my favorite part to write this. 2 times 1 minus a negative 2. Always remember that a negative sign is in the middle here. Plus 11.
Where I do?
No, calculate the determinant, no.
Sir, write it so she can understand it here. Yeah. Put the
That's what, I'll put this in a bracket, that's what you're talking?
Yes, sir.
Come on, same difference.
I know, sir. Just do it.
And then now this is 3 times 2. Minus 2 times 4. Am I correct?
Sir, so far so good. I feel
Good
proud.
job. Listen to me, I'm going to buy you 3 strips. I'm proud of you too.
Thank you. Make sure it's in the blue bag.
Love it. All right, so 2 times 1 is 2. How many negative signs I have there?
2.
So because it become plus 4. Plus 11 times 3. Plus 8. Minus 7 into 3 to 6. Minus 8. 1. This is 6 plus 11. 8 and 3, 11. Minus 7. 6 minus 8 is minus 2.
Yes.
6, 1, 6. 11 times 11 is 121. And 2 7 is 14. Rockstone. So 14 and 6 is 20. 20 plus 121 is
141.
141.
Yes,
sir.
It.
You got that?
Good, sir.
Then, sir, all the time you will get the same number? No.
Sir, them
Well-
dogs say you structure the question like that.
I did this question like this.
Sir, I get it. But
All right.
141.
Sir, you know what my problem now?
Uh-huh.
I'm afraid may I do this way now? I may I learn this way now? And then next thing, me go in an exam, and my brain go turn one next way, and then start the foolishness.
Well, guess what? I'm going to pray. Say brain stay one way. We're going to set it one way. You know, like when you have crick neck and you can't turn the neck. Get up.
No, me have to laugh.
You know, you're going to talk with.
Talk truth. And whatever have a crick neck, if you have a good crick neck, you can't move that. Because everything in your body hurt you.
True,
Yeah,
true.
yeah, man. Go ahead.
So, sir, is
Mhm.
always
Go ahead with the question. Always what?
sir is always the determinant.
Don't talk to us so short.
Sir is always the like the
The
determinant
determinant
of.
of y over the overall determinant, yeah.
Okay.
And don't talk to me niece so short again, you hear?
Okay, sir.
All right, so
Sir, why?
why what?
Why the determinant of y over the overall determinant?
Because when the two determinants them cancel each other, we're going left with.
Or why?
Yeah. Big up yourself. Know that I know you see it. All right. So I don't want to get confused. I need to go back up top and look at my A. Because we recognize this A, you have to look at to make the substitution done. 1, 3, 4. -5, 1, -3. And then no, -11. Nope. Yep, it is -11.
Sir, you just say you're gonna make we do it.
Yeah, but I thought you did it. You never did it yet?
Sir, me not work fast at
No,
yours.
some never reach so far.
All right, guess what? I stop it right there, so. I'll stop it right there, so go ahead, please. Of course,
Okay.
I done. Cool. Incidentally, I really appreciate that. It means that you're eager to learn. Very nice.
Me too, me never did do it either.
Sorry, when you're ready.
Okay, I was waiting on you. All. Anybody still working on the last one?
Yes, sir. I'm
All
soon
right.
done.
All right, hurry up because I want to give you one. I know you're not going to be able to finish it in class, but at least to get to the overall determinant and the determinant of X, and then you can finish it off a homework. Just practice it, guys. Practice it. I mean, the topic is finished. All you need to do is also practice so that you can know the nuances of the topic, meaning the little inside out or the little tricks, them and the thing. And it should be good to go. All right, let's go.
Normally, like one of these questions come on the exam, don't it?
Just one. Just one. And it comes anywhere between 15 and 20 marks. Anywhere between 15 and 20 marks. Okay, let's go. And I want to notice students every single time your dear teachers writing their plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. 2 hours. Which three? Go about to business. 2 hours. I got some more information that I want to share with you. A little later on. I always like to keep my students in the loop. So this is going to be 1, 1, 2, -3, 2, and this is going to be +5 into 3, 2, 4, 2, and this is going to be -11 into 3, 1, or -3. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Me can say yes.
What I like about the class is, by the way, other one Stephanie should not call to me. She not come class tonight. No. Anybody talk to Stephanie to see if she's all right?
Sorry.
She's okay? If you have Stephanie's number, can just reach out to her and find out she's not in class tonight. And May, David Green, are you okay? Last week we were asking for you.
Hey, good night, sir.
Good night, my love. You all
You
right?
hearing me?
Loud and clear. Or you stay?
So far, so good. I'm just back in class.
Yeah, but I glimpsed you last week though. You came in briefly, don't?
Yes, but the internet kicked me right out.
Okay, because I know one of your classmates was very concerned about you and said that you live behind Jesus and turn right and them don't see you. And I said, no man, I saw when she came in. And then I was looking for you and I didn't see you. But how your neck of the woods? Are you up and about now?
Not really. I'm still out of light, water, and internet, But the data is working right now, and get charged from work, so it's not so bad.
All right, my dear. Just be safe here. I'm gonna give you a few questions to take on because I want to talk to you about this exam something. Let me just work out this and then I just talk to you. I need to encourage you guys. So that's just gonna be 3 times 2. All right, this pen is giving me sure. Minus 2 times 4 minus 11 into 3 times -3 minus 1 times 4. 1 into 2 plus 6 plus 5 into 6 minus 8 minus 11 into -9 minus 4. 1 into 8 plus 5 into -2 minus 11 into negative 13. This is 8 minus 10. How much that be?
143.
143.
Plus 143 minus 10 is 133 plus 8. We get 141 again, you know.
Yes, sir. All of them 141.
So
And when
get
you transpose it, it is correct.
Sir,
yeah.
do.
Go ahead, please.
Sir, I mess up this third line. Sorry, it's
Okay.
when you have,
Yeah, me mess up too with this.
cause look what me keep on and do. Me say, so me write back the one. I say 2 minus negative 6 in bracket,
Yeah.
and then me say 5 bracket 6 minus 8, and then I say negative 11 bracket negative 9 minus 9. You have that, sir? No?
Yeah. No, minus 9, minus 9, it's minus 9, minus 4.
Minus
Sir,
4, right?
5 me right this so.
I have that, but but I go wrong right here, so.
All right. So what it is that you need to do is just to be careful with the multiplication with the negative side, because yes, the man them are gonna give the negative something in the thing, because this is what students don't like. So they might go set it. When I ask me, I tell you, they might go set the negative in the something. All right. For the most part, I know there are 30 something. Well, there are 20 something of you in here. Fabian, you had asked a question earlier. Are you okay with it now?
No,
No
sir, I
answer.
don't get it so clear.
Yeah, but Fabian, suppose me never call upon you. Would I leave the class and I know so you don't understand the stuff? I don't know why students don't unmute and ask questions in class. Students, don't allow the teacher to leave the class and believing that you are understanding. Me can guarantee you saying no nobody at your yard for explaining something to you. So when I give you the questions now, you're not going to be able to do it because you still not understand it. Come on, students, please.
Sir,
I
for
love
me,
you. Go ahead.
is when you're switching around the matrices are, as you say.
Mm-hmm.
So that part no more. I
So
forgot.
just work on that for me, please, Monique.
Because this part of it, it's easier than for me that do so far. Not easy, but me get it
I
a little.
understand you. I understand what you say, man. But going back to you, Papa D, please just talk to me in class. When I'm teaching, you're not understanding something, unmute. Don't go class because you can build up and build up and build up and build up, and then you're going to have problems. Not do it, man. Please, I beg of you, don't do it. All right.
Sir,
Go ahead, please.
alright, what I figured out is the signs, I'm mixing up the signs. So where we did the calculating the determinant of x, I did put 1 plus 6 instead of 1 minus 6. So can I look at it this way where outside of the bracket it's calculating like a power? Because you did say that if you're calculating a negative number with a positive, with a even number, the answer is going to be positive, right? So can we look at it like whatever is in the bracket, even or odd, we can use it in that method?
Uh, ah, it's because it's really not a power. I don't want you to look at it like that as a power. It's
No, I
not
know
a
it's
power.
not a power, but does it like, don't it come out to be the same? That's why you put right
Yeah.
here where it says calculate when you do negative 2 times positive 2 give you a positive 4.
Mm-hmm. All right. If you
Sir,
understand, if you understand it that way, Brit, go ahead. I don't particularly like.
you sure, sir?
I to be honest with you, I don't like it. I don't like what it is that you just say. And how you say it a while ago. Um. Sorry. I,
Me
um.
work with your way, sir.
I would love that.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was multitasking because Mr. Fabian begs me. Students, if you know me well, my my intentions are for you to do very well. All right.
Sir,
So
just to be sure, right? If
go
I
ahead.
get this question and I do my big one on this question, I'm good to go?
If you get this question and do this question and get the full 20 marks of it thereabout, and then find another question and do and get say another 20 marks on it, me can tell you say it's a sure pass.
Okay.
This alone not
That
gonna make
sounds
it
good.
pass. This alone not gonna make it pass. All right, so I have 5 minutes. Let me use those 5 minutes and talk to you about what possibly may come. I was in a meeting for the first half of the day today, and part of and remember, um, some things are not yet confirmed, which is why I'm asking you to be responsible with the information I'm sharing with you. I'm sharing the information with you because I think you're supposed to be in the know. You're my students. Let the other lecturers share with them. No, call me name and say, "Oh, Mr. Shandy says so." Do it. You and I are having a conversation. You're my students. One of the things I can safely say now is that the exams for this semester are pushed back until January. I cannot, a date was suggested when the exams will start in January, but I'm going to be responsible and not say anything because the letter that I was copied on today did not give us the date. It was only mentioned in the meeting, word of mouth, but the date is not communicated to us in the letter from the CCCJ. So I don't want to go say it, and then people go buy them ticket and gonna foreign, and then now you miss the exam and say, but Mr. Shan did say it and it's on the recording. So me not say nothing. So the exams are going to be in January for sure. Um, I can't tell you just yet the format of the exam. I can't tell you yet. What I will, however, say to you is I want you to be diligent. By Wednesday of this week, no, Thursday of this week, I should be giving you some questions to do and to submit, and I will tell you how to go about those. I'm going to ask you to be very diligent in working the questions and submit those questions to me because those will be going towards your coursework pieces. So, yes, we were told to continue teaching up until the end of the month, and we were given permission to use the first the next couple of weeks in December to catch up on those times that we lost as a result of the hurricane. So technically, we're going to still have classes in December. That's what I'm saying to you. So please hear me out. I don't want nobody to come to me and tell me, say, sir, me can't have no class because I really am going to be having the classes, and I really want you all to be able to move on to your business calculus next semester. And if you don't pass it, you can't move on. All right. Are there any questions of me? I am finished. I posted some questions here. They do know. I had 4 questions for you for class today. I did question 1. So I would love for you to do questions 2, 3, and 4 for me for Wednesday practice. And here what you're going to do for me. As you work the question 2, don't look back into the book. See how far you can go with the question without looking back. And then wherever you get stuck, you can pause and go and look in the book and then move on. And when you do the third question, see how far, if you can go further than before in the second question. That's what I used to do. And then by the time I quint, I can answer the question fully on my own. That's what I want you to be able to do. That's my aim. It's 20 marks. Anywhere between 15 and 20 marks on the exam.
Sir,
Question. Go ahead.
say me for jump if you know here, sir, me have an exam.
Say it again.
You have to cut now, sir, me have an exam. So
No, man,
later.
I'm finished. I'm finished. Big up yourself. All the best, guys. Take care.
Sir,
All right,
hold
Sir,
on.
good night.
Good.
Somebody said, hold on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You had started to say something about topics, but you didn't say anything as it relates to the topics.
No, man, I say I can't tell you what topics are. I can't tell you the format of the exam. So I
Okay.
don't know. I don't know what it is yet, but I know that the paper is going to be in January.
All right.
Big up yourself. Go ahead.
Well, the questions that you're going to give us on Thursday, those will account for the mid-semester grade.
Not the mid semester, not the mid semester, but the coursework.
Oh, so, oh, you don't have no information about mid-semester yet.
I have the information. It's just that I can't get the mid semester yet. So partly can come in class fully because of the internet. Some things I can't get the mid semester now because some people are disenfranchised. I can't give it a I can't give it
Oh,
a coursework because it can take up it can carry the coursework, and do it over a couple of days. But the mid semester would have to be done one time. So I can't get the
yeah.
mid semester. You follow what I'm saying?
Sir, give the mid semester next year.
That's cute. No man. Next year I go forget about this stuff. All right, guys. All the best. We'll
Okay.
talk. Yeah, man. Cool.